Today I am talking about something special about these stocks. Here you can see how much price these stocks at this moment. These stocks trade at this moment $418, and these stocks give in the last 5 days return which is 0%, in the last 1 month which is 0% approx. In the last 6 months this stock give us 12% return approximately. Hey, I am not telling you to buy or sell these stocks. I just break down the numbers so you can decide smarter. In the last 1 year, these stocks make only 72%, which is not a bad but good return these stocks make. In the last 5 years, 262% return these stocks make for investor, which is very good. And here the most things which is whole return 6288% return these stocks give investor. That means 62x return these stocks make from starting to at this moment. So what do you think about these stocks? Please comment below, and always do your own research before investing. Follow for more US stocks breakdown.